Fine and decorative applied art of the Turkmen people goes back centuries. The works of ceramics created in our independent, permanently neutral Turkmenistan helps to spread our national culture to the world, and these works of art decorated the exhibitions. Studying this ancient art helps us to create a holistic view of the glorious 5,000-year history of the Turkmen people. During the years of independence, the country has achieved high levels in politics, economics, science and education, spiritual and material culture. In particular, thanks to the efforts of esteemed President, the attention paid to the national culture and art of the Turkmen people has acquired a completely new meaning. The era of the popularization of the unique culture of our people all over the world has begun, an epoch when the huge contribution of the spiritual and creative heritage of the Turkmen people to the development of global culture is highly appreciated. To understand contemporary art, in addition to general concepts, it is necessary to feel its grace and sophistication. Separate types of art are interconnected and form a single concept. Art, a harmonious combination of antiquity with modernity, is clearly traced in the work of Turkmen ceramists. Speaking about the art of ceramics, it should be emphasized that that is eternal. The eternal works can be created only by people with high spirit. Admiring the ceramics created by Tolmod Muhammedova, who is able to revive the clay, one involuntarily ponders and becomes convinced that today's type of art has reached perfection, great heights. One wants to see again the works of master ceramists. The Turkmen people at all time knew how to highly value art. A person who is in love with beauty cannot pass by amazing works born of natural talent. Indeed, these works skillfully and very talently convey the harmony of images of nature and the turning points of life of a person, the wealth of his inner world. That is why these works are eternal. Currently, when the fundamental changes are taking place in the national art sphere, the art of ceramics and developed as a modern decorative art. This ceramic work is created with a harmonious combination of various colors of paints and is distinguished by its special artistry. With the development of this type of art, the ways and methods of creating products are developing and improving. In the prosperous epoch of powerful state, Turkmen ceramists create more new works. These works glorify the high success of our motherland achieved in the new epoch. The happy life of the Turkmen people and faith in a happy future. Ceramic art is inextricably linked with human life. Ceramic products used in the interior design of a home have now gained even greater relevance. Exquisite products created by a woman, a craftswoman. These are jugs, Akhalteka horses, unique images of Turkmen girls, women, beautiful flowers, teapots, bowls evoke a feeling of great admiration. The works of art created by them craftswomen are an adornment of exhibition organized in the prosperous epoch of powerful state. In her works, she describes character of nation and their world with enthusiasm. Summing up the thoughts can be seen in her works. She describes character of nation and their world with enthusiasm. Summing up the thoughts can be seen in her works. It changes characters to the vivid reflection, the worldview of artists. Tolmod Muhammedova is one of the ceramics artists who with every fiber of her soul belongs to art. The talented artist, along with the general theme, also works using various methods of project execution and creates ceramic works with great skill. Being a passionate admirer of beauty, the artist never deprives his work of ethical meaning and creates work of various subjects and different volumes. This work tells about the history of the Turkmen people, its national heritage. In this work, you can see the beautiful image of the Akhalteka horse. The color scheme of work was also very appreciated. The artist did not lose sight of even the smallest details. Each work of Tolmod Muhammedova is a song. Every detail is conditioned by the rhythm of the dance, which conveys a joyful perception of life, because the works of amazing master is an expression of the ideal of beauty. She has unique ability to transform herself in her works and to be passionately carried away by her idea. The works created by the talented artists are distinguished by their individuality. This turns the created images into reflections of the artist's spiritual world. Solmaz Muhammedova, who perfectly knows the subject she is going to display, has mastered the skill of generalization. An artist with a keen sense of nature embodies this in his ceramic works. In her miniatures, every line reflects the artist's love for life. In the prosperous epoch of powerful state, the culture and art of the Turkmen people are widely developing. If ceramists in their works of art, artists in their drawings, jewelers in their jewelry, sculptors in their sculptures, singers in their songs, musicians in their music glorify the prosperous epoch of powerful state, then Turkmen craftswomen, through their handicrafts, express pride in the great achievements of our country, for the happy life of our people, because in their hearts lies boundless love, deep respect, honor to esteemed President for his tireless concern for the further prosperity of our state.